Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on 3D Objects Worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we can practice doing some exercises involving 3D objects. Now there is a lesson on this very topic, and if you're not sure what to do or you get a little bit stuck, on the next slide you are given a direction where you'll click on a link, and when you click on that link, that will take you to the lesson and it will explain and show you how to do all of these examples. So basically, this is what we're looking at. We're being asked to sketch each of the following 3D objects. That's the first thing. So I've given 9 3D objects here, so each of them has to be sketched. You don't have to use a ruler or anything, just freehand is quite fine. Then, for each 3D object, give 2 examples where it occurs in real life. So let's look at the first one. You're going to sketch a cube, and then you are going to give 2 examples. You don't have to draw the examples, you can if you wish, but you don't have to, where the cube occurs in real life. I mentioned in the lesson that 3D objects are very, very important in real life, and there are many examples and instances where they occur. You sketch the square prism, give 2 examples where that occurs in real life. So you do that for each of those 9 3D objects. Now, here we have 2 very interesting exercises. This requires a little bit of creativity. So the first one, sketch a composite 3D object consisting of a rectangular prism and a triangular prism. Give 1 example where this composite 3D object could occur in real life. So we know what a rectangular prism looks like. We've already sketched it. We know what a triangular prism looks like. Join them up so they form a 3D object consisting of both of those. Have a look at it and see if you can name where it would occur in real life. Over here it's very similar. We're going to sketch a 3D object consisting of a cylinder and a cone. This is a really interesting one, and it'll get you to do a little bit of thinking, so you've got to be quite creative. So join a cylinder and a cone together and give 1 example where this composite 3D object could occur in real life. So this video has just given us a few exercises to do with 3D objects. We've done some sketching, and we're naming where these objects occur in real life.